All right, today we're going to use a four-step method to help us solve some word problems. So I know that my four steps are read the problem twice, circle and underline important information, draw a model, and solve and check for reasonableness. So let's start with our first problem. Here I have Ashley bought 22 cupcakes for her class. The cupcakes cost $3 each. How much money did Ashley spend on the cupcakes? So if I'm following step one, I need to read this problem twice. Ashley bought 22 cupcakes for her class. The cupcakes cost $3 each. How much money did Ashley spend on the cupcakes? If I read the problem 2 times, it will help me understand it better. All right, now let's circle and underline important information. So I know this problem is about Ashley, and I know she's buying cupcakes. She bought 22 of the cupcakes, and I know they cost $3 each. I'm going to box that keyword each. That's super important. Each usually tells me that I'm going to multiply or divide. How much money did Ashley spend on the cupcakes? I'm going to underline my question. That will help me pay extra close attention to it. All right, step 2, done. Now I need to draw a visual model of the problem. So I know she bought 22 cupcakes. I could draw 22 cupcakes, but that would take me a very long time. So here's my model. I have cupcake 1, cupcake 2, cupcake 3, cupcake 4, all the way, that's what that ... means, to cupcake 22. All right, I've represented my cupcakes. Now I'm going to put the price of each cupcake into the box. So I know this cupcake costs $3, this cupcake costs $3, this cupcake costs $3, this cupcake costs $3, and this cupcake costs $3. So what I notice about this visual model that I drew is that my number 3 is repeating. I know that multiplication is represented by repeated addition. So when I see repeating numbers like these 3s, that means I'm going to multiply. I need to multiply the number of cupcakes I had, 22, times the price of the cupcakes. So to solve this problem, I'll be multiplying 22 times 3. So I know that 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. After multiplying, I know that Ashley spent $66. I've drawn my visual model and solved. Now I need to check for reasonableness. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back to my question. How much money did Ashley spend on the cupcakes? I need to think about the answer I found, $66. Does that make sense with my question? How much money did Ashley spend on the cupcakes? Yes, it does. So I found my answer. I've answered my question. She has spent $66 on the cupcakes. Let's try another one. All right. I'm going to use my four-step method again to help me solve this problem. The first step is to read the problem twice. There were 35 cows on the farm. The farmer bought more cows for his farm. 3 trailers came to the farm. There were 12 cows in each trailer that were let go into the farm. How many cows were on the farm now? Okay, I'm going to read it again to make sure I understand the question. There were 35 cows on the farm. The farmer bought more cows for his farm. 3 trailers came to the farm. There were 12 cows in each trailer that were let go into the farm. How many cows were on the farm now? All right, now I'm going to circle important information. So I know that there are 35 cows on the farm already, and a farmer is buying more cows. This number more, this word more will tell me that my answer is probably going to be higher. I know that 3 trailers came to the farm, and there were 12 cows in each, there's that word again, trailer that were let go into the farm. So I know that each is usually going to tell me to multiply or divide. Now I need to underline my question. How many cows were on the farm now? All right, I have underlined and circled important information. Now I'm going to draw a model. So I know there are already 35 cows on the farm. But then 3 trailers came to the farm. So here's my trailers, 1, 2, 3. And on each trailer, there were 12 cows. So there were 12 cows on this trailer, 12 cows on this trailer, and 12 cows on this trailer. Again, I see that number repeating. 12 is repeating. And when I see a number repeating, it reminds me of repeated addition. I know that repeated addition is the same thing as multiplication. Drawing that model really helped me figure out what to do. So I'm going to multiply 12 times 3 to figure out how many cows were brought to the farm. I know that 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. So 36 more cows joined my farm. Now let's see. I need to analyze my answer. It says, how many cows were on the farm now? So I know that I started with 35 cows, and then trailers brought 36 more cows. So in order to figure out how many cows are on the farm now, I need to put those two numbers together. I'm not done solving my problem. So I have 35 cows originally and 36 cows brought to the farm. So let's add those two together. I have 5 plus 6 would be 11. Carry my 1. And then 1 plus 3 plus 3, 71. Okay, I'm going to go back to analyzing for reasonableness. My question asked me how many cows were on the farm now. I figured out, after adding those numbers, that there are 71 cows on the farm now. I have answered the question, and I've checked for reasonableness. Now you'll have the chance to practice our 4-step method to solve some word problems.